Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to add photos now. Sign into Google and open Drive. Once signed in, make sure your photos are in one local folder. This speeds uploads. You should also verify available drive storage and Wi-Fi stability because slow connections cause timeouts. Now click New, then File Upload or Folder Upload to begin selecting images. Do this step first to create an organized place inside Drive, because organization prevents duplicates and saves time later. Once files are selected, drag them into the target Drive folder or use the new menu. While uploading, create subfolders named by date or event. This makes retrieval easier later. Use Shift or Control to select many files at once to speed the process. Make sure to watch the upload status in the lower right corner. If an upload fails, Google usually shows an error with a retry button. After upload completes, move or rename items to match your preferred structure. To finish, verify thumbnails and file sizes, then set sharing permissions if you want others to view or edit. Once done, refresh Drive to ensure all thumbnails generated and files are reachable. If something goes wrong, try retrying the upload. Next, clear your browser cache or use Google's backup and sync Drive for desktop for large batches. This resolves many partial upload issues. Finally, confirm on another device or incognito window to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.